puts the data into instruction queue, where instruction queue in a BAU will hold 6 bytes of data continuously. Here logic is execution unit takes the data from queue and executes it. For dumping the data into queue, it uses segment registers and instruction pointer. Sometimes it takes the data, many times it brings the data, fetches the data from core segment, and occasionally it goes data segment and stack segment. You know what is the purpose of extra segment? In general, it will never communicate with extra segment directly. Extra segment will be based on the operation of the CPU. Extra segment will be translated and temporarily converted into either core segment or data segment, or in some cases stack segment. Now the question is, if the program structure is such that you don't have any function calls and you feel that there is no interrupts while your program is being executed, then the BI continuously goes to the memory and fetches the data, dumps into queue. But we can't accept a sequential logic due to instance of programming language. Merely with the only sequential logic we can't run a program. We will have a branching, we will have a call, function calls, and everything involved in the program structure. In some such cases, if there is a function call, simple function call, then whatever the data that was already prefetched by the BAU and put it basically or dumped into the queue, it should be washed out, it should be empty. Then it goes to the new memory location from where the function is being started and gets that data, puts the data into. So queue becomes empty in two cases. One, when your program is done, then there is no need of coming to the queue. Second, when there is a function call, and in future we are going to study in further chapters about the interrupts also. Interrupts are nothing but a kind of a function call. If there is an interrupt or a function call or external or internal, then the corresponding data will be dumped into the queue, and the present data which already prefetched by the BA for the execution, it will be empty. Then it has to refetch the data later. That's the functionality of the BA. Then as far as the execution is concerned, we need to have more focus on execution. To really understand up to now we just understand how 8086 works with external world. So the BAU will take care of interface with the external world. Execution unit will not interact with the actual world. Its duty is to decode and execute. What in general happens is, if you take the queue there, execution unit takes the data from the queue. First it decodes it. When the instruction is being decoded, then execution unit understands what